Okay, today we're going to answer the 1.36, exercise 1.36, under chapter 1 and section 1.8, components of vectors. Okay, so find the magnitude and direction of the vectors represented by the following pairs of components. So we have AX, which is 8.6 centimeter, AY 5.2 centimeter, and for B, so this is, so for Okay, for P we have this one, these values, and for C, these values. Okay, let's answer first letter A. So the best way to do this again is you use this graph. And you use a sketch. And this is for. So you're given components. You're given components of vectors. Okay, so your AX is negative, so meaning it lies on the negative x-axis. Negative x-axis is your AX. And you have your AY, which is positive, so it lies in this direction. So meaning your vector, so this is your AY, meaning your vector A is in this direction. Okay, given that. So to find the magnitude, of course, you use this formula. The magnitude of your vector A is just equal to the square root of this 8.6 centimeter squared negative plus negative 5.2 centimeter squared. Okay. So to find the magnitude, it's let's calculate this one. Square root of squared plus, so you find that your magnitude is 10.1 10.1 meters. Okay, to find the angle theta, the direction. So say for example, you want to find this theta here, or beta, and from the positive x-axis, we label this as our theta. Okay, so your theta is just equal to 180 degrees minus your beta. But you need to find first what is beta. So if you use this tangent of beta is equal to the opposite, which is AY, over the adjacent AX. Okay, so you will find that implies that your beta is equal to this value here, which is uh your AY is is so by the way, this is not negative, so be careful, but the same result. So 5.2 centimeter over negative 8.6 centimeter. So your beta shift tangent 5.2 over negative 8.6. So it will give you negative 31 degrees, 31.2, okay, degrees. So negative, it says that if from the negative x-axis, you move negative, or you move counterclockwise, which is that's the negative measurements. You you measure it. It is measured 31.2 degrees. Okay, but this is actually equivalent to 31.2 degrees, which is uh, north of west. That's the direction. But if you want to find this theta, so your theta is just equal to 180 degrees minus 31.2 degrees. 180 minus 31.2, you give us your theta is just 148.8 degrees. So That is your final answer. For letter B, okay, for letter B, again, your magnitude, the magnitude of your A is just equal to the square root of uh, 9 meters squared plus your AY negative 2.45 meters squared. So it will give us the square root of 9.7 squared plus 2.45 squared. So it will give us 10.01, 0.005, okay, 0.005 meters. So this is centimeters. Okay. So here, if you want to sketch this one, so you have negative AX, so you have AX here, and you have negative AY, so your AY is here. So your vector A is in this quadrant. So this is your vector A, this quadrant 3. So if you want to find this angle here, say beta, okay, the tangent of beta is equal to AY over AX, where beta is just equal to tangent to the negative 1, which is your AY is 9.7, negative 9.7 meters over, I mean, not not this one, it's AX, negative 2.45 meters over negative 9.7 meters. Okay. Shift tangent to the negative 1, 2.45 and 9.7. So we have 14 degrees, so that is 14 degrees, 14.2 degrees. So meaning your theta is just 180 degrees plus. So this is actually the direction of that is south of west. So 180 degrees plus 14 degrees. So we have 194 degrees. So zero point 0.2 or zero point 0.2 degrees. 194. So, okay, so that's the answer. Okay, for letter C, so if you want to answer letter C, okay, let's try to answer letter C. Okay, so of course, if you want to find the magnitude, so you know the components. So you have AX is 7.75 kilometers squared plus negative 2.7 kilometers squared. So be careful with the unit. Is square root of 7.75 squared plus 2.7 squared is 8.21 kilometers. So centimeters, meters, kilometers. So if you want to sketch this one, this is your X, this is your Y. So your AX is positive. Okay. This is your AX. Your AY is negative. So this is your AY. So your vector A, okay, your vector A here lies on the fourth quadrant. Okay. If you want to find this angle here, beta, okay, the tangent of beta is equal to the opposite AY over AX. So the beta is equal to AY or tangent to the negative 1 AY over AX, which is equal to shift tangent Okay, sorry. So shift, tangent, which your AY is negative 2.7 over your AX is 7.75. So we have 19. Your angle is 19.21 degrees. Okay. So but if you want to find this theta, so this is actually south of actually south of east. Okay. Or your theta is just equal to uh 360 degrees minus your beta. So we have 360 minus 19.2. So we have 340.8 degrees. So that's your direction. Either you use this one or you use this one. So magnitude is this one. Be careful with the units. So God bless everyone. So see you in the next video.